Let's read the
numbers,
the
sentences.
word first.
Okay.
How many apples did the girls Nancy and Sarah bring in all?
Maybe
I'll be Nancy and you'll be Sarah.
Okay.
So I have
draw
three apples.
3 apples right here. I draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's put the bigger number together with the little number.
Okay. 6,
6, 7, 8, 9. We should write 9.
Does that make sense?
Let's see. I think it does make sense because if you add the number together with the big number with the small number, it would make it even bigger number. So I think that does make sense.